Hello and welcome to Mini Course, your gateway to bite-sized learning. Today, we will talk about a crucial phase of your academic journey, crafting the thesis proposal. Let's dive into the essentials that form the backbone of your thesis writing process. A thesis proposal is more than just a document, it's a skeletal framework that guides the trajectory of your entire thesis. Its purpose? To address identified problems, define them, determine the necessary data, and outline methods for processing and interpreting that data. But that's just the beginning. The proposal comprises 3 chapters. Chapter 1, the problem and its setting. Chapter 2, theoretical background, and Chapter 3, methodology. To ground your thesis, you need a threefold foundation. Grounding in existing knowledge or the related literature. Grounding in a real-world phenomenon, problem, or situation. Grounding in a specific context or the research setting and sites. The thesis proposal is a statement of your future research intentions. Write most of it in the future tense to convey that you'll carry out the necessary fieldwork and gather data to address research questions. To minimize revisions, follow this drafting process. First draft, focus on substance, put ideas and facts together. Second draft, refine for structure, rewrite or revise for coherent thought flow. Third draft, polish for style, edit for clarity, and proofread for correctness. And there you have it, the key insights into writing a compelling thesis proposal. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we explore each chapter in depth and share tips to navigate the drafting process. Hit subscribe to join us on this research adventure. Happy writing!